Well, howdy, this is Hamid. Just thought I would give myself a little more saw time practice. So I've got the Victorinox Ranger Swiss Army knife, and here's a chunk of wood. And we're through. Pretty cool little knife. Now, let's compare it to the Kerye mini folding saw. It's a Japanese pull style saw. This is not brilliant construction. This little pin has sometimes fallen out, so I think I'm gonna put a dab of glue in there just to keep it in there. So it's a little bit fragile, but other than that little weak point, this is a fantastic little saw. So I'm going to use the fine-tooth side, and since this is a Japanese pull style saw, it's got to, the power stroke has got to come towards me, and I've been told I need to kind of flatten this out with the Swiss Army knife saw. You're going more up down, but it's got a slightly different orientation, so I'm going to score it, and then here we go. Well, that came off rather quickly. This is such a really fun little saw that I very much enjoy using it. In fact, just for kicks, we're going to do another length here, because I think that's a nice straight piece that I may use for something. I don't know what yet. I've been carving recently, starting to carve things with the Swiss Army knife and the saw, and gosh, it's a little hard to get just a kind of a parallel so two-handed works pretty well for this. And we're through. Love how smooth that is. That almost feels like a finished piece of wood right there. It's just so smooth. Should we give the Ranger another go? See how it does. See how two-handed does with the Ranger. Oh, I don't have a great foothold on this piece. So let's try and rearrange that a little bit. Yeah, that feels more solid. Except it is quite uncomfortable. I'm going to try it this other way. Try to remember some advice from this. It's better to use motion not from the arms, which I have been doing, but from the upper body and from the hips. That's easier. Much less tiring to bring some upper body movement into this sawing motion. So I'm not quite used to the rhythm. See, I'm reverting back to using my upper body and arm, but you know, it still gets the job done really, really beautifully. Oh, but my ferro rod started to fall out. Gosh, I do really, really enjoy this Ranger Swiss Army knife. And, you know, paired with a Japanese mini folding saw, it fits in my pocket or my bum bag. Realize I'm perhaps doing the wrong orientation on this. I'm not able to go so of course I got a little much of an angle, but you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, and somehow you get through the day. It is super smooth. I love how smooth those ends are. On the other side there's a little jankety bit, but gosh, the little Japanese pole saw is very impressive to me. I love how this thing is so tiny and compact, and it just folds up like so. You gotta take a little care to line these up. And once you do, here you go. A couple of cool saws. This is Hamid. Hope you're having a good day. Getting out into nature and enjoying life. I'm out.